Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For first session, we have a trigonometric equation from A-level exam. So pay attention to the question. Equation is 7 times tangent theta over cosine theta plus 12 equals 0, theta between 0 and 360 degrees. First, we need to simplify the equation. So the entire expression must be contain one of the sine, cosine, or tangent functions. Then let's do convert. Tangent theta equals sine theta over cosine theta. By substitute this relation on the equation, then we have 7 cosine theta times sine theta over cosine theta plus 12 equals 0. Then cosine theta times cosine theta, we have 7 cosine squared sine theta plus 12 equals 0. To eliminate the denominator of fraction cosine squared theta, we multiply all terms of equation by cosine squared theta. Then we have 7 times sine theta over cosine squared theta times cosine squared theta plus 12 cosine squared theta equals 0. Cosine squared theta removing, then we have 7 times sine theta plus 12 cosine squared theta equals 0. Now, by use of a well-known trigonometric relation as sine theta power 2 plus power 2 equals 0, or cosine squared theta 1 minus sine squared theta. By substitute this relation on the equation, we have 7 times sine theta plus 12 1 minus sine squared theta equals 0. By multiplying 12 over 1 and sine squared theta and multiply minus 1 over any terms of equation, we have 12 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta minus 12 equals 0. This equation is a trigonometric equation based on sine theta. Now, by using a change of variable, the trigonometric equation becomes a quadratic equation as sine theta change to u. Then we have 12 u2 minus 7u minus 12 equals 0. Now we have quadratic equation by u. Then we must be find roots of this equation. By factoring method, we have 4u plus 3u minus 4 equals 0. Then roots of this equation can be right u equal minus 3 over 4, 3u minus 4 equals 0, u equal 4 over 3. This answer not valid because bigger than 1. But this answer is valid because this value is between -1 to +1. Then is valid. Can be right by change the variable sin theta equal minus 3 over 4. Now by using a calculator, we have sin theta equals sin minus 48.6. This new equation is a simple sine equation. Then we have two set of solutions as follows. First set is theta equal 2kp plus minus 48.6. The second set is 2kp plus p plus minus 48.6. I simplify 2kp minus 48.6 for first set of answers and second set of answers 2kp plus p plus 48.6. At this relation, k is equal 0 plus -1 plus -2 and other integer numbers. Then first set of answers by k0 is k0 at the first set of answers theta equal minus 48.6. This answer is not valid because theta isn't in the range 0 to 360 degrees. And k equal 1, theta is 311.4. This value is valid because it is within the range. Then it's valid. For k, 2k minus 2, k3 and other numbers of k, value of theta is bigger than 1 or bigger than 360 or less than 0. Then this value is not range. For k3, 4, 5 and other integer numbers, the value of theta doesn't fall within the range. For second set of answers, we have k0 theta equal 228.6 is valid because within the range. K1 theta equal 588.6, not valid because bigger than 360 degrees, has not been not valid. K minus 1, K2, K minus 1 other integer numbers, theta is bigger than 360 or less than 0, then not valid. So the final answers are 228.6 and 311.4 degrees. Well done, everyone. You got it. If you want to learn math in a smart and fast way, follow me. Thank you.